As human beings, we owe much of our existence to the natural elements that surround us.
From the vast ocean that enables ship travel to the fertile soil that grows our crops, everything we rely on comes from somewhere.
And yet, despite this interconnectedness, we often see attempts made to restrict access to information and knowledge, especially when it comes to technology.
This mentality runs counterintuitive to the idea of sharing and collaboration that has driven so much innovation throughout history.
Open source software, for example, allows anyone with the necessary skills to modify and improve upon existing code, leading to faster development cycles and greater efficiency.
This model could easily be applied to other fields, including education and research.
By keeping their ideas proprietary and limiting access to them, companies may seemingly gain short-term benefits, but risk stifling creativity and impeding progress.
A more collaborative approach would lead to demonstrations, foster cross-disciplinary, and encourage a culture of creativity.
After all, no one can know everything, and sharing knowledge allows us to learn from each other and push boundaries.
Furthermore, as users of countless freely available resources, shouldn't we feel obligated to give back?
Whether it be through openly contributing to projects, supporting open access initiatives, or simply spreading awareness, there are numerous ways we can contribute to the advancement of humankind.
Let us challenge this notion that knowledge is a privilege reserved for the few.
Instead, let us recognize that shared understanding leads to stronger connections between people and communities.
With increased access to quality education and collaboratively developed technologies, we can ensure that everyone has an opportunity to thrive and reach their fullest potential.
In conclusion, just as nature provides us with endless opportunities to learn and grow, we should aim to share our discoveries and insights with others.
By embracing openness and collaboration, we can break down artificial barriers and empower people everywhere to achieve their dreams.
Well, let us commit ourselves to being transparent and generous in spirit, recognizing that the true value of any creation lies not in its exclusivity, but rather in its ability to inspire, educate, and uplift those around us.
Only then will we truly honor the gifts bestowed upon us by Mother Nature and build a world where prosperity and well-being are accessible